What happens when extremism, like a wildfire, leaps from one region to another, leaving a trail of ashes in its wake? What are the consequences when this uncontrolled blaze originating in the West spreads across continents to the East? These are the questions we need to ponder upon today. Picture this, the West, a cauldron of extremism, its flames licking the borders of the East, reaching as far as the Indus River. The second wave of extremism has washed up to the borders of India, halted by a dam of resistance. We've managed to contain the first wave with a similar dam. Thus, in my mind, the most severe step of extremism lies in Afghanistan, followed by Pakistan, and then the relatively subdued India. However, the current scenario reveals a terrifying reality. The East is now spawning its own demons of extremism. This attack has left me dumbfounded, especially the hateful diatribe launched by Indian writer Javed Akhtar against Pakistan post the Pulwama attack. Such a brilliant mind reduced to spouting such petty words has left me disheartened. Nationalism may indeed be a disease, but we're yet to develop a comprehensive vaccine for it. I remember the likes of Taxila-born Wajid and Lahore's Wasim Abdullah, who never forgot their roots. Emotional maturity and intellectual growth are not solely the inheritance of the Europeans. When it's clear that no human lives were lost, why should we stoke the fires of revenge? Why should we fuel this raging inferno? If 2 trees have fallen, there must be many Indians who could replant them out of sheer love. War forces humans to inhabit spaces that even birds, butterflies, fireflies, flowers, and fruits deem unfit for habitation. Just like how the nuclear warfare in Hiroshima and Nagasaki is still producing abnormal humans, the Taliban's warfare in Swat is producing abnormal fruits and flowers. Such circumstances in the lives of sensible nations often contribute to their transformation from a crowd into a nation. I fear that we might end up proving ourselves as ignorant as the Indians. I apologize to my friends who are posting emotional statuses in favor of Pakistan, and I'm surprised at those who are posting hawkish anti-Pakistan statuses. They should be promoting peace, not fanning the flames of war. I understand that nationalism is a disease and we still don't have a full-fledged vaccine for it. But what can we do? We remember our roots, just like Taxila's Wajid and Wasim Abdullah from his village. In conclusion, extremism is a wildfire that spreads rapidly, jumping from the west to the east, wreaking havoc in its wake. Its impacts vary from region to region, but one thing is clear, it leaves no place untouched. It's high time we stop fanning the flames and start building dams to contain this wildfire. Only then can we hope for a future free from the shadows of extremism.